Hey guys, welcome back to the Appalachian Home and today's video. So I saw this beaded wooden riser recently at a store we had gone to, and I also saw some similar on Pinterest. So I had the idea to try to make one using some leftover materials I had from some other projects, and I thought I would share how I did that with you guys today. So I started with this 17 by 17 inch piece of scrap plywood that I had left over in my building, and this is 3/4 inch finished plywood, which I love using on projects. So the first thing I did was just mark the center of the board lengthwise and widthwise. And I'm just marking the center because I'm going to be drawing a circle from the center mark. And I just hammered in a small little nail. I'm going to be using this angle template, and you can use a protractor or whatever you have, but I'm just drawing out a 16-inch diameter circle all the way around this board. And now I'm just using a bandsaw to cut out this circle. If you've seen some of my other videos, you'll see me use this tool before. I also use a jigsaw sometimes to do projects like this, and you can definitely use a jigsaw to cut this out. I just thought the bandsaw would cut it out a little bit smoother, and since the plywood is so thick, I thought it would be much easier just to use the bandsaw. Now I'm just going over the entire piece with 220 grit sandpaper and this orbital palm sander, but I'm just smoothing down the top, the bottom, and all around the edges. I'm going to be using these beads to place all the way around the edge of this circle, and I got these from Amazon. I'll link them below. They're 3/4 inch beads, and I'm just going to be creating this rope to go all the way around the edge. Right now the edge of my board is flat, and I'm also going to be using a router to put this concave edge so that my beads will fit nicely and they won't slip off when I go to put them on. Now I'm going to be making the rope bead to go around the edge of this circle, and I just want to make sure that my board is facing down because I'm going to be gluing the bottom edge after I get these assembled. And these I come with, I think it's a 1/8 inch hole, and I'm just going to be using this jute twine, and you'll also need some scissors and this extra long needle that I got from Walmart, and it has an extra large eye on the end, so I'm going to be threading the jute twine through the eye, and that's how I'll be getting my beads onto the rope. I just tied a knot at the end after I got my beads all the way around, and I'm going to be putting glue on the bottom edge of these beads to hold them into place. You can also place glue on the inside edge before you place the beads. That will help hold them in place as well. And then I just go around and arrange the beads equally all the way around before I place my glue. I let this wood glue dry for at least a few hours before I flipped it over and started using it, so it will take it a little while to dry. So the last thing I did was just create a base to sit this piece on, and I took a 2x4 and I just cut off about 2-inch pieces at a 15-degree angle with my chop saw, and I cut off 3 of those. I'm just going to be gluing those onto the bottom of this board. I ended up not staining this piece. I just like the natural look of it, but if you're going to stain it, I would definitely do it before you glue on your beads. That way the glue doesn't get in the way of your stain. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and got some inspiration, and I'll see you guys back again in the next video.